Hi guys, welcome to my second video in YouTube. Hope you like the video. Today we'll be talking about the iPhone 3GS and we will be re-unboxing it. Here's the commercial. This iPhone came in two colors. It came in the silver and black. This re-unboxing of the iPhone 3GS in the 16GB model and the black. Here I realized that the phone doesn't work. It's not fully charged. And I don't have the earpods or the charger, so here's where I explain it. And I just have a charging cable from another person. Thanks for watching. See you next Tuesday.